Everybody, good Thursday morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here just after 7 o'clock on this Thursday, and it's a pretty quiet start to our day. The winds are fairly light. We got a lot of sun, a few leftover clouds in the southeast, even a little patchy fog in some spots. Mostly rivers, you're going to be seeing that. There's been a little bit more towards southeast Nebraska and into Iowa. But everything kind of clearing on out. It's going to be a fairly sunny day. There will be some fair weather cumulus clouds this afternoon. The winds stay on the lighter side. This is kind of the last truly light wind day that we're going to see for a while. So enjoy it. Again, I think we do see some puffy cumulus clouds around the area and then just a little bit of thicker cloud cover over northwest Nebraska. Tonight then we'll see a few clouds pass through, but otherwise very quiet weather. Winds will settle in out of the south and southwest. They'll actually start to pick up a little bit tomorrow morning right here in southwest Nebraska. And for the rest of us tomorrow, it will be a breezier day. Lots of sunshine and very warm conditions, but two kinds of winds. Now more of a southerly wind here, but where there's more of a westerly component to the wind out here in western Nebraska, that's where some of the warmest temperatures are going to be today, is in the western parts of the area. So really I could kind of circle these areas here. That's where I expect the biggest heat tomorrow, and it's going to be a very warm day over across the entire area tomorrow. Temperatures well above average. And then tomorrow night, a cold front is going to make its way through. And in fact, by the time we get towards Saturday morning, that cold front will be over halfway through the area here. It's going to be situated about right there. A few clouds with that front. No precipitation expected, but you can see the difference in the winds. Southerly winds out ahead of it. Pretty breezy northwesterly winds behind it. In fact, that wind's going to crank up on Saturday. It's going to be kind of a windy day Saturday and a little cooler, but not cold by any means. Still warm, just a little bit cooler out there though. Highs today topping out in the upper 70s and lower 80s. A nice warm afternoon. Lows tonight milder in the 50s. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, temperatures will soar. Mid to upper 80s and even some lower 90s for highs. And I mentioned it before, but some of the warmest temperatures are expected to be right in here where you get more of that west and southwest component to the wind. Overnight tomorrow night, mild ahead of the cold front, upper 50s and lower 60s, a little cooler off towards the northwest, well behind the front. And then looking ahead to your Saturday, yes, while cooler, still nice and warm. Highs in the 70s and still even some 80s, low and mid 80s over southern and southeastern areas, but again, cooler the farther northwest that you go as some of that cooler air comes in. And no moisture is expected Saturday, but later on Saturday night and into Sunday, we will see the return of showers and thunderstorms. So let's take a look at the Tri-Cities forecast first. And you can see lots of sun, a little more wind, especially this weekend. Here comes the rain. Late Saturday night and into Sunday. Pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms. There could be a little severe weather. We're still going to be quite warm out there, but this will kind of hinge on dry periods of weather out there. We'll get a break from the rain most of Monday, but then late Monday afternoon into Monday night, rain and thunderstorms return. This continues into Tuesday. We will once again have to watch for the threat of severe storms. Tuesday, with the extra wet weather around, we're going to be on the cooler side, and then we'll dry out for Wednesday, and we will see temperatures warm back up, but there are more chances of rain and thunderstorms further down the road into next week. But it stays on the mild side, 70s for the most part. So kind of the two spikes, the one spike up tomorrow where temperatures top out well into the 80s, and then the big spike down on Tuesday. But otherwise, it's mostly 70s for highs during this time frame. North Platte, not a lot of big differences other than that. It will be close to 80 today and 90 tomorrow. And then again over the weekend, just like the Tri-Cities, rain and thunderstorm chances return late Saturday night and into Sunday. It's not cool though, we're still decently mild. Cooling down a little bit though behind that on Monday. Now Monday, we get a break from the precipitation. Then later Monday into Monday night, we will see more showers and thunderstorms and other chances of severe weather. And then wrapping up late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning, we'll get a dry day there, and it looks like we'll kind of settle back into the 70s. Excuse me, the rest of next week. So again, like the Tri-Cities, the two spikes, the one upwards tomorrow and then the one spike downward. So there's the spike up tomorrow and then there's a spike downward on Tuesday, but otherwise mostly going to be a lot of 70s, maybe again near 80 today, but mostly 70s in the forecast. I do want to show some of the long-range models to show you, yes, active weather will be returning. So not a lot of weather these next few days. Let's get to Saturday night though. So there's the cold front right there, by the way, Saturday morning. Southeast Nebraska by noon. Few clouds, but no moisture until it gets past us. But then again, here's Saturday night and into Sunday. There's the rain. And again, outdoor plans. I know there are some area graduations Could be a little bit wet out there from time to time. More showers and thunderstorms Sunday night, wrapping up early Monday morning. We'll get a break. Then here comes the next chance, late Monday afternoon into Monday night. Another round of severe weather is possible. Some of that rain and thunderstorm activity lingering into Tuesday. We'll be cooling down behind the front as well. And then maybe a break Wednesday, but we could see more showers and thunderstorms as we get into later next week. And so we could be in a very active weather pattern, including the threat of strong to severe thunderstorms. The GFS model, not a lot of major differences. There are differences. Again, not a lot of weather the next couple of days, not a lot of active weather anyway. There's the cold front Saturday morning. Just a few clouds, but any moisture will develop later in the day off to our south and east. But here comes some moisture as we'll see a warm front lifting northward Saturday night into Sunday morning. So a good chance of rain again on Sunday, and then more showers and thunderstorms Sunday night. We get a break Monday morning and early afternoon, and then Monday afternoon into Monday night, more showers and thunderstorms lingering through Tuesday, especially Tuesday morning. And then again, a break Wednesday before we see more showers and thunderstorms in the latter portions of next week here once again. So the active weather looks like it's going to be sticking around for a while next week. And again, any one of those chances could include severe weather. Long-range models are also showing a decent amount of instability in our area with any of those chances. Sunday, Monday into Monday night, Tuesday, and then again as we look ahead to further down the road later next week, more instability, more chances of severe weather. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this forecast today. I appreciate it, and I'll see you all again on Friday morning with all of the latest. Until then, take care, enjoy the nice day today and the last of the light winds, and I'll see you all again on your Friday. Take care, and God bless. Bye.